Hi everyone, I'm Miss Karen at Adams Memorial Library. Welcome to the July Inquire Within program, Create a Tale. Now you might know that this year's summer reading theme is Tales and Tales. And usually when we think of telling a tale, telling a story, we think of talking about it or writing it down in a book. But there are actually a lot of ways you can tell a story. You can tell a story through music or dance or even how you decorate or in the jewelry that you wear. So the kit we have for you this month is all about how you can create using those things. If you would like to come and pick up the kit at the library, you can come in or you can call and reserve one and we'll keep it for you. And then you can come in and pick it up and do the activities at home. Now first, for music, you might like to make a Peruvian siku flute from Let's Go Luna. And it looks a little something like this. We'll give you some straws and some washi tape so you can put yours together and decorate it however you would like. But if you go on the PBS Kids site and look for Let's Go Luna and look for the siku flute, you can see Carmen and her friend Cisa playing music together. And you can also look for a real Peruvian siku flute. It's lovely. It is really beautiful. I think you'll like it if you hear how that goes. But these are also these are called pan pipes when you have different pipes of different lengths and each one will play a different note. Now, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear very well, but I'll try to play this for you. There, you hear it a little bit? Sounds a little bit different. So you can experiment and see what works for you. I think if you make it a little bigger, the sound might be better. I'm going to try that next time. But you can tell a story through your music. You can make it fast or slow or sad or happy, whatever you would like. You can also tell a story through dance. And there's in the kit, there's information on making a Yupik dance fan with Molly of Denali. Now this is a really, really, really rough idea of what a Yupik dance fan looks like. But again, if you look at the Molly episode where Molly's dancing, or if you look for Yupik seal dance, you can see how the real ones look. Very beautiful, beautiful feathers. And the dancers use their arms and the movements to tell a story. So if you make your fan, you can tell a story too with your dance. Maybe you would like to decorate something. So Molly's got you covered there too. Molly can show you how to make a beaded sun catcher. Now, this is definitely something that you want to do with grown-ups. Need a grown-up for this one because the wire that will give you, see how I have it wrapped up? This wire is sharp and pokey, so you want to make sure there's a grown-up there to do this with you. If you want to make a sun catcher, like this one, you might want to use the translucent beads that will be in your kit. And translucent means they let light through a little bit. So if you were hanging this in a window, the light would shine through. Now for the one I did, kind of made it look like a heart. I bent the wire and then I twisted it and put some green floral tape over it to cover up the sharp parts, and then I put Scotch tape on top to hold it. So you can decorate however you like. Mine just has lots and lots of beads because I like lots of colors. I don't know if you can see the garland behind. Lots of colors there too. So that's how we like to decorate here at the library. Now, I do not know if you have noticed the necklace that I'm wearing, and if you have noticed, thank you very much. Molly of Denali also will show you how to make a beaded necklace. Now, Molly uses her beadwork to represent her Alaska Native culture. So everything that she does is a way of expressing her culture. And if you make a necklace, like I did, you can put on something that's important to you and helps to tell your story. I don't know if you can see what I have, but you might have guessed I have a book on mine. And this book is called The Country Bunny and the Little Gold Shoes. And it's actually my favorite book when I was little. And the librarians in my library, when I was little, the nice librarians were always helping me find this book until I got my own copy. So that's part of my story. And then I grew up to be a librarian so I can help other people find stories too. So if you are making a bead necklace, my most important advice for that is make sure you tie a knot at the end first, or all the beads are going to slide right off. So I just kept tying and tying and tying so I would have a really big knot. You can do that, put the beads on, make something that's important to you, put that on too if you would like, then put a knot at the other end, tie it all together, and wear your story. So thank you very much. I hope you'll come into the library and pick up the kit. And thank you very, very much to our friends at WQED Education and Clearview Federal Credit Union for allowing us to do this program with you. If you are doing summer reading through Beanstack, the code word for the Inquire Within programs is Molly, like Molly of Denali, Molly, M-O-L-L-Y. So thank you very much for joining me today. We'd love to see what you're making and how you're telling your story. You can submit a photo. You can email us at summerreading@adamslib.org and show us what you're working on, or you can bring it into the library and show us. We would love to see it. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. Bye, friends. Thank you.